The views and opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily state or reflect this show. Furthermore, the views and opinions of the guests do not reflect the host and this show.
Be kind. Be kind to your ex. Huwag niyong awayin yung mga ex niyo. Be kind to them. Wala naman akong hugot, pero I'm just saying, it's nice to be civil to your ex.
And guys, also, being kind to them means that you're being kind to yourself. And there's no other way to do that, but to actually really be kind to yourself, you know. That's just the way that things are. Because if you're not kind to yourself, you're putting stress to yourself. And, at the end of the day, you're on the losing end.
Yeah, that's true.
Welcome to Racial Intentions Relates Podcast.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Racial Intentions Relates Podcast. Hello, welcome back to our podcast. Hello sa mga listeners, viewers namin dyan. Welcome back to our podcast. It's us again, the Tencents and Rachel on the other hand. We'll just welcoming you to another set of episodes of our podcast. Hello, Rachel.
Hello. Yeah. Ay, kamusta ka na? Ang tagal natin hindi nagkita. Oh my God!
Wow, ang tagal natin nagkita.
No, okay. Hi muna to
hi,
everyone. How are you guys? How's everyone doing? Like, I hope everyone is well, safe, healthy, and wealthy. Oh, diba?
Wow,
I like to hear that.
Yes, true.
Diba? Improvement ng buhay natin. Cheka! Oo naman, why not?
Kamusta naman
Same.
yung Valentine's nyo? Hopefully, yung Valentine's nyo is masaya, as what we have talked about in the previous podcast. We wish that you had a blast in your Valentine's at na-enjoy nyo. Kung hindi man blast bongga, at least you have spent time to quality time to your loved one, di ba? Mahirap mag-English. Hay!
Tagalogin mo kasi.
Pwede ilonggo na lang. Pwede ilonggo na lang wala.
Hindi ka naman British.
Yeah, mahirap mo yung British. You know what? British. Anyways.
Kasi ng R mo. Ano pa nga ang Rachel?
Racial. Anyways, guys, welcome back. As I said sa aming podcast, ito naman kami, manggugulo. And as promised,
yung sa ending ng last podcast.
Oo,
diba?
nakikinig kayo sa ending ng last podcast namin. Ito, pinangatwirahan namin na pag-usapan ang mga topic na hindi dapat pinag-uusapan. Di ba?
Oh my God.
Ito na yun, guys. So, the question na iniwan namin ng previous podcast is that, okay lang ba na maging friends sa mga ex? Oh, di ba? Oh, Rachel, di ba ito yung topic na gusto mo? Well, actually,
yun yung highlight ko last time, but then you cut me off.
Yeah,
diba?
I mean like it's
pa-close na natin yun eh.
Oo, pa-close na tapos may nabuo pang topic, no? So, it's a separate podcast na it's a good na gawin sang separate podcast naman, di ba? Pag-usapan natin kung okay lang ba na maging friends sa ex. O ikaw?
No. Civil,
yes.
oo. Friends, no. Civil, oo.
What's the difference?
You can be civil without being friends. Like you can be nice to each other without being friends. It's a chapter that's finished. It's a chapter closed. So why reopen that? Diba? Ito. Talaga ako. Ito na lang. Hindi ako, both tayo, dalawa tayo. Hindi tayo kagagaling lang ng isang relasyon. Pero it's been years for me. And for you, it's been, over a decade din.
Yeah.
Diba? For me, hindi ako naniniwala na kailangan nyo maging kaibigan, pero pwede ka maging civil. Ito number one, bakit hindi? Especially sa mga bago lang nag-break talaga, no? Seryoso, syempre. Papanindigan ko talaga na hindi talaga siya mag-work.
Okay.
Alam ko, sa mga listeners natin dyan, merong magsasabi na, ay, mali si Rachel. Mali to. Ay, ewan ko, nonsense yan. Wala akong pakialam.
Yeah. I mean, like...
Punto ko to.
True. Opinion lang po namin. Ito yung pananaw lang po namin. So, yun.
Hindi, seryoso, guys. Sorry, I
Ah.
don't mean to offend you. Pero okay, to each their own, diba? Sa akin, hindi. Especially sa mga bago lang nag-break, it's been a week, a month, 2 months, 3 months, and depende din sa healing process mo, no? Or sa moving on process mo. Number one reason is, being friends with them can hinder your moving on process. Tama ba?
Yes.
Like, gusto mo nang mag-move on sa buhay mo, not necessary na maghanap ka ng jowa or maghanap ka talaga ng jowa na bago. It's really just picking up pieces of yourself that you lost along the way. So friends, that's a big no for me. That's my number one reason. O ikaw, number one reason mo, bakit hindi gusto, but bakit possible for two people na mag-ex, na maging kaibigan?
Sa akin naman, mahirap sumagot ng serious. I mean, it's possible. It's possible kasi it depends on how you guys broke up. What's the reason of your breakup? Kung yung reason naman ng breaking up nyo is wala namang third party, wala namang pagtataksil, or wala namang, it's just that the situation calls for it, or it's better that way. If yung reason ng breakup nyo is for you to grow separately as an individual, then I think there's nothing wrong being friends with your ex or stay connected with your ex. I mean...
Wait.
Ay,
Stop you from there.
Hello, may mali naman ako nasabi.
Friends and then stay connected. They are two different things.
No, connected in a
Panindigan mo kasi
sense.
yung gusto mo.
Connected in a sense na like sa social media, hindi naman yung connected na like you often see each other. Yung mga ganun. Hindi naman ganun. Like connected in a way na parang like in social media, in Facebook, you're still friends. Hindi naman yung tipong connected. What I mean connected, hindi yung parang nagte-text kayo, tatawagan. Hindi yung ganun. Like connected na parang like if you need each other, one day, pag, hi, hello, kamusta? Ganong, how are you doing?
Need ba yun?
Hindi naman need. Hindi naman need. Like, yung sa akin nga, you could be that way. Pwede, possibility. There's a possibility na gano'n. Kung yung breakup nyo is okay. Yung parang mutual understanding yung breakup, na parang nagkaintindihan kayo na it doesn't work anymore. It's better, the situation calls for it, na parang wala nang patutunguhan.
Like you ended things amicably, ganon.
Yeah, parang ganon.
Okay.
So you could be friends. Pero it doesn't mean na pag break up nyo friends kayo. It will take healing time. It takes time to heal and to be separated for some time, and then yung ibig kong sabihin friends, like after couple of years naging you still have, nagko-communicate pa kayo, nag-hi, hello, kamusta? Or pag nagkita kayo sa mall, hindi mabigat sa loob mo na parang iwasan mo siya. Parang okay lang na harapin mo siya at, hello, kamusta? Oh, it's been a while. Kamusta? Anong latest? Parang ganong kinda...
Civil yan.
Civil ba yan?
Hindi kayo friends. Pero alam mo yung you can be comfortable saying, hi, hello, kamusta? Oh, you've got kids. You say hi to the kids. You say hi to the new partner or your asawa. Pero diba, hindi yung friends na you guys stay connected all the time, talking to each other.
Kasi
and
ako...
then you can like talk about your problems with your new partner dun sa ex mo. You just
hindi
can't
yung mga
do that.
ganun. Yeah, you can't do that.
Not that way.
Not that way.
No,
like, kamusta lang on a personal, on a certain level lang, di ba?
Yeah,
Kasi
naman.
ako,
Like, for example, as simple as sabi mo, pag nagkita kayo sa mall and then you can say hi, hello to each other, that is being civil. Yan yung punto ko na, yung being civil is fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, kasi, yun nga, sabi ko may mga ex din naman ako na hindi kami nag-uusap na. Meron ding friends pa kami sa Facebook friends pa kami sa social media, and then we say hi, hello pag nagkikita, and walang awkwardness. Para sa akin, I don't know na sa kanila. Pero I feel
iba siguro
parang
perspective mo.
para sa akin siguro okay, para sa kanila hindi. Pero sa akin kasi walang awkwardness. Parang nagsira na nga yung libro. As you said, it's a closure of the book. So,
Okay.
wala na yun. Yung past is past, wala na yun. And then, we're like two individuals again, you know. In some point of our lives, naging friends naman tayo before we get into a relationship. So, we can still keep that friendship. If that's, di ba? Kung that's how it works, di ba?
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
I get your point.
Yeah, minsan nagbe-message pa sa Facebook, okay lang, and my wife is okay with that. She knows that, you know, I've been talking to my past, and siya din, she's still in contact not in contact, parang mali yung term, in contact, pero they catching up from time to time sa kanyang ex. And I don't walang jealousy, hindi ako threatened or hindi ako nasiselos. Even though I remember last time nung umuwi kami, and then they had a reunion. Nagkita sila dun, and she's happy. Kinento niya sa akin na parang yung ex niya pa nga yung awkward sa kanya eh. Siya okay lang. Nahihiya kasi baka pagsilosan daw siya ng asawa ng ex niya. Yung ganun. Nahihiya yung ex niya na like magpa-picture, tumabi sa kanya kasi nga baka magselos yung wife. Pero sa kanya okay lang daw. And she's, you know, she's open magkwento sa akin ng mga
chill
ganyan.
about it.
She's chill about it.
Now, in that case, I like that kasi Lucille knows her boundaries.
Yeah.
Alright? And that is perfectly fine. Yung nga sa kanya civil lang din eh. It's a reunion. Hindi yun yung parang nag-date lang silang dalawa. It's a totally different story. Kasi nga, it's a class reunion. Everyone has to be there. You guys will have to take pictures for memories again when you grow older. Oh, ito yung high school picture natin. Oh, ito na naging 35 years old na tayo. Ganun, diba? It's different. Those are two different things. So, yung setting boundaries kasi with your ex is boundaries and respect, ha? Boundaries, setting boundaries with them na hanggang dito lang tayo, mag-usap tayo, yeah, sure, no problem. Pero hanggang dito lang pag-usapan natin. And then, respect din sa respect sa present mo na partner and respect din sa present partner ng ex mo. Tama ba? So, I think, just setting those boundaries and putting in respect is like the way to go about these things. Kasi you have to think about the impact on the new relationships.
Yeah.
The impact on the new relationships, they might misinterpret that because they don't know what you've been through. They weren't there before.
Yeah.
Unless na nandun sila talaga na witness nila. Which it's like a 1 in a million na parang alam nila yung lahat nangyari, diba? But what I'm saying is, no, you cannot be friends, but you can be civil and nice to each other.
Yeah. Let's put it that way na lang siguro, no? Civil and nice to each other.
At the end of the day, nag-agree ka naman finally sa akin. There you go. So,
kasi for me, yun nga, friends, I treat them as, kasi friends kasi, wala yung perspective ko bilang sinabi kong friends is that wala kayong hatred, wala kayong galit sa isa't isa, wala, you leave the past in the past. Parang ganun.
It's a chapter that's been closed.
Yeah, it's been closed. Para sa akin yung ganun, naging okay kayo, it means parang naging friends kayo. Parang ganun. But not into a friendship na very deep na parang isang tawag mo lang, mga ganong kind of friendship. Mga ganitong, para sa atin, parang ganitong friendship. Hindi ganon kalalim, of course. Pero like, as you said, parang, friends like an ordinary friends na ka-workmate mo.
Hindi mo ako ex, so kaya tayo medyo deep ang relationship natin. Okay.
Hindi, I was comparing lang yung yung like kind of friendship, that we have each other. Hindi ganito kalalim na parang isang tawag lang, isang message lang, ganun. Parang friends na friends mo sa work, parang ganun lang.
Yeah, absolutely. That I agree.
Mga ganun.
Guys, whatever your situation is, sa mga ex ninyo. Depende yun sa inyo how you handle that. At ito yung sa amin nga lang ni Jason. Again, this is our point of view. This is how we view things. Na pwede namang maging civil, pwede namang maging nice, pero hindi lang super close. Diba?
Yes. As long as you know your boundaries, oo.
Correct.
Basta hindi lang kayo
Correct.
magpatato ng sabay. Ganon.
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
Alright! I
Yan.
think that's my 2 cents with 10 cents.
Sense. Yan guys. You just know your boundaries. It's not impossible to be nice and to your ex, no? To your past. It's not impossible. Pero may with respect naman sa mga taong syempre hindi naging friends, hindi naging maganda yung outcome sa past nila. We respect them because they have their own reasons why. And what we're saying here is, hindi siya imposible. Pwede siya. At walang masama. 'Di ba? Na maging civil kayo ng ex mo. There's nothing wrong about it. As long as you both understand your limits, your boundaries, and also you're open to your partner. Huwag niyong i-hide. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi pag tinago nyo yun sa partner nyo, meaning there's something. Diba?
True. True.
Yeah. Why you're not open? Diba? Why you're not open to your partner about it? Maybe, kung yung partner nyo ayaw, syempre respetuhin nyo na lang yung partner nyo. Diba? Kasi may reasons din na ayaw niya. Diba? At least na-open up nyo sa kanya. Honest kayo na gano'n. Si ex ko nagme-message pa sa akin. But, it's just hi, hello. Mga ganun. Basta open lang at saka honesty. Diba?
Absolutely.
Yan. Ikaw ba,
Ayun,
friends ka
guys.
sa ex mo?
Meron akong dalawa na civil ako sa kanila. And I'm happy for them. I see them
Your
on
friends?
social media.
Social media, yeah.
Hindi kami friends. And then
Sa
one
social
time
media?
nga
Sa
social
Facebook?
media, yeah. We follow each other on Instagram. And there's 2 of them. Which, I'm fine with that. Kasi nga, di ba, I know where my limit is.
Yeah.
I know how to put the boundary in. Diba? Like, hanggang saan ba yung pwede
Matured
natin
naman tayo,
pag-usapan?
diba?
And
Yeah.
that's about it, really. You see them happy. You see them like going on a trip and whatnot. It's good for them. I'm happy for them,
You're happy seeing them with their family, building
Correct,
a family. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, so I'm happy for you guys.
Yes. Me too. I'm happy for you, girl. Girl.
Girl.
Bitter. Yeah. I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
Not for you,
So
for them.
anyways,
For
sa
them.
mga ex namin dyan ni Jason, best of luck.
Yeah. We miss you.
No, all the best naman. Ikaw lang.
Ay, ako lang pala. Joke lang.
Yes,
joke
yes.
lang.
So that's it. Guys, thank you so much for listening. Like, you know what? You deal with your exes the way that you feel like you need to at that present time. Huwag lang sakitan,
Oo.
Try to avoid because eventually you'll mature. There will always be that pain, maalala at maalala mo talaga. Pero you'll be able to learn how to live with it. Tama? Yeah. And that's
In
it.
some point
So,
of your
stay
life,
safe.
Yes, stay safe. Parang iba yung stay safe. Iba po sa isip ko, stay
But-
safe.
Hindi, kasi when they break up, people tend to do silly things.
Yeah, true. I mean, it's not
Diba?
the end of the world when you break up.
True.
Mm.
True.
Tsaka, appreciate naman natin sila kasi in some point, yun nga, naging masaya tayo sa feeling nila. And then, they give us life lessons that kung ano na yung life natin ngayon, in some point, because of them, we learn lessons from them as well as we have a previous relationship with them that it doesn't work on the next relationship, then hindi na natin i-apply yun kasi it doesn't work. So it's a learning lesson. It's part of life. So
Tama.
be kind to your ex. Huwag niyong awayin yung mga ex niyo. 'Di ba? Be kind to them. Yun. Wala naman
Yeah,
akong hugot pero I'm just saying, it's nice to
Yeah,
be
and-
civil to your ex.
And guys, also, being kind to them means that you're being kind to yourself.
Yeah.
And there's no other way to do that but to actually really be kind to yourself, That's just the way that things are. Because if you're not kind to yourself, you're putting stress to yourself, and at the end of the day, you're on the losing end.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, at least may natutunan kayo kahit konti at saka na-touch namin yung topic na sinabi namin, pinandidigan namin na we'll talk about it, and yeah, yun lang yung points and opinions namin with regards being friends or being civil with your exes. So,
Correct.
guys, thank you so much once again for listening to our podcast. Thank you for continuing support and love our podcast. Continue to like, share, and follow our podcast sa mga new listeners dyan. Keep on sharing, keep on following us, and hope to see you on the next podcast. This is Nonsense Now. Signing off. Bye!
Bye, guys!